Hey, wild urban gardeners. All right, really quick 2-minute tutorial on stuff that grows in my garden that I didn't plant there and is super delicious and nutritious that I just let grow. So, obviously, I'm sure most of you wise folk know that that is sorrel. Sorrel. People call it sheep sorrel. It is delicious. All right, watch my little fingers go down here. I'm sorry, sir. I'm going to citrusy, fresh, amazing on top of like Asian bowls, in your scrambled eggs, incredible. So let the sorrel grow. All right, let's go find one of my other favorites. Say hello to lamb's quarter, aka wild lettuce, or wild spinach. Sorry, wild spinach. Unlike my spinach, which I grow from seed and it's all cultivated and bolts at the first sign of sun, these guys will grow beautifully and they'll grow tall and they're delicious, sauteed, add it to anything. So yum, yum, yum. So look for sorrel in your garden. All right, let's go find a couple of others maybe. See who else is in here. There are some things that are growing in here that are useful items. There is plantain, and I wonder if I can find it. There is wild lettuce growing somewhere. So wild lettuce is used in salves and other things. So as you go through your garden, you'll notice I'm just sort of walking along and taking a look. You want to find things that you didn't plant, but that are good for you. And okay, and this is going to sound crazy. We're just coming up to our 2 minutes. One of the things you can do in your garden is use bare hands and bare feet. Shamans tell you, and other microbiologists and stuff will tell you that soil is interactive. It's not just you reading the soil, it's reading you. So when you interact with it with bare feet, hello, and bare hands, hey, um, it gets skin samples. It gets to know you. The mycelium responds, and plants that you need for whatever healing you need, they start to appear. So as weeds, such a wrong term. Anyways, as weeds or other plants start to appear in your garden, look them up. Look up what they do. We had one appearing at the garden back at the apartment. It's called cleavers, and it's really good for a detox. And it's growing everywhere. And I walk around barefoot there all the time, so cleaver tea it shall be. So there you go, humans. Take a look to see what Mother Nature is giving you naturally, and thank her for the bounty, because it is really darn tasty, and we are very fortunate, and abundance is everywhere. All right, let's go grow our joy. Bye.